over the place, everybody. There's whiteouts over there. There's so much snow falling right now. The snow drifts over here are huge. Look at that. Look at this one over here. A pretty good one over here. I mean, there's not too much snow falling, but drifts of snow could be a lot larger. And well, just look over there, guys. The snow blowing all over the place. That way the winds will increase through the evening hours. And I'm in the snow. Wow. Look at that. It's so cold outside. It's like -8, 9. It feels like into the -20s right now. It's freezing. Stay off those roads, everybody. Icy weather, flash freeze. My hands are frozen right now. Frostbite. Risk of that is almost certain if you are out there for longer than like a few minutes. Look at all the snow blowing over there. It's freezing. Head inside if you are outside, except for me, because I'm GB, the weatherman. It's so cold. Stay safe. Hey everybody, it's GB, the weatherman. It's windy, it's freezing outside. I'm getting wind chills of -15, 16. Wind chills are actually into -20s right now. This thing is a little bit short on it right now, and it's not adjusted just yet, but still, it's still cold outside, everybody. Heads up, strong winds. It is incredibly cold. I just have to head inside right now. I am too cold. Squalls still affecting the snowbelt areas in Niagara to Hamilton, where blizzard warnings are issued, so head inside. It's freezing, man. I'm gonna head inside right now.